Libras, how are you doing, my darlings? Welcome back to this channel. And in case if you're new here, then hello, my name is Tarusha Saxena, and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. On this channel, my dear Libras, you are going to find weekly and monthly zodiac readings, fun pick a card readings about your love, relationship, marriage, children, career, health, and so much more. So, my dear Libra, if these topics interests you, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon over there to get notifications about my upcoming videos. Also, please note that these readings, my dear Libras, are general Libra readings for this week. And in case if they do not resonate with you, then do not forget to check out other zodiac sign weekly readings as per your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs. Also, to remember, Libras, that these readings are timeless readings because timing is fluid. All right, and you will watch this video only when this video and the content of this video is meant for you. All right, only when universe wants it to watch you, universe wants you to watch it. All right, because it will be applicable for you then, irrespective of date, month, time, and year, my dear Libra. So let's get this party started, Libra. The Nine of Wands says that there is something there where you are planning to um, planning to go in life. Okay, I'm not saying travel, all right, but what I'm trying to say, Libra, is that there is something that you want to achieve. There is a vision that you have in terms of career, or in terms of some creative thing, or in terms of yeah, something like that. There is a vision that you have with respect to whatever you are doing right now, and whether it's a creative pursuit or your career, and you are going to achieve the reach there rather very very soon. All right, Libra, let's see what next. Yes, it's about, and this is something that you really love. Or it could also be that, right now you're also enjoying a stable relationship. You're enjoying some love. You are receiving love, and you're also feeling love from within. So much love from within right now. You just are at a very secure and a safe place. Like, you have a clear vision where you want to go. You're working hard towards it, and you're going to reach it. Simultaneously, there is a beautiful relationship, love, respect that you are feeling in your life right now, which anyways gives us a lot of confidence, support, and stability, to work even more better towards the goals that we want to achieve, isn't it? uh 10 of swords. So there is some kind of stress, Libra, which is going to be cut off from your life. All right, some kind of stress which is going to be cut off from your life very very soon. Either there is something which has been keeping you worried and stressed, then that particular thing is going to come to an end. In case if it is a relationship, if it is a relationship which has been, a cause of worry and tension, which, or if there were things which were not right with your spouse and you were having a hard time with them, there were a lot of miscommunications or fights and argument, then, my dear Libra, good news for you is that bad times are almost over, dark clouds are over, time of happiness, time of good vibrations in your relationship. If that is something that was of concern for you, don't worry, because bad times and dark clouds are almost over now. All right, let's see what's next for you, Libra. Nine of swords. So, Libra, this is telling me that, Nine of swords is telling me that you have really been feeling like, in case if you have any debts, in case if, it's time for you that, you have been stressed very very, you have been stressed. See, nine of swords and 10 of swords. So whatever stress you have been having, I think it's time that you have been feeling bound, whether it's a relationship or whatever the situation, the state of your mind is, you are very very soon going to be free from it. All right, because you feel that you have really had a very long time with this particular situation and you want to get out of it. But don't worry, because you are soon going to be getting out of the situation, Libra. Justice, yes, the justice is going to be served, and the justice is going to be served right. So whatever, it's like a karmic thing. All right, okay. So see, Okay, this is very interesting. So, what I see is that your relationship has been keeping you very stressed off late. All right. This particular person in your life, this particular relationship is a karmic relationship for you. Okay. So, there has been a karmic cycle that both of you need to learn. So karma what what goes around comes around, right? So that is what you guys have been into this vicious circle of karmic cycle. There is some that you took, there is some that you gave, and now it's time that justice be served. All right. So now when things have been justified at both your ends, when you both have got whatever you both earned and deserved, as two individuals, and also towards each other, you both are kind of going to find your way back to each other and balance things out. So you will be content in yourself and your person will be content in themselves. You both will learn your own lessons, come back together with positive vibration and work things out. All right, let's see what the next card is for you. Is the World card. Okay, Libra, this is all about, I mean, how beautiful. The World card. The World card definitely says that good times are ahead, end of a stressful cycle, and beautiful times in terms of relationships, beautiful times in terms of achieving what you want to achieve. So it's kind of going to give you, you will feel as if like the whole universe is blessing you, or you all the angels are blessing you, and things might just come so very easily, and things just keep flowing in. Okay, whatever you will wish, things will just keep flowing in, because this particular time in your life you are going to feel very, very blessed and lucky to receive so much of things that you have been wanting will all come to you. All right, let's see what's the next card for you, Libra. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles. So there is, in case if there is a new project that you have been working on, Libra, please go ahead and congratulations, because this new project is going to be successful. Okay, very, very successful, and there are going to be monetary gains. You can look at monetary gains from these new projects if it is something about creativity or a passion that you have been trying to pursue. One, you are going to be successful in it, and number two, there are going to be monetary gains in it. Relationship wise, things are going to get sorted and kind of looking good, peaceful and harmonious. Blessings from the universe, justice being served, karmic cycle taking its own shape. Now let's see what the universe has for you. Some messages from the universe. Let's see what the universe has to tell you. Libra's awareness. Libra's awareness. Okay, so Libra, what I'm getting a feeling from this card is basically that you have been living under the shadows, Libra. Okay, and you have been somehow feeling in a certain way which didn't make you feel very good off late. All right, and it's time for you, Libra, that you identify with the one that is inside you. Okay, with the one that is really you. It's not about the superficial you, or the you that the world thinks you are, and that you think you are, but that's not what you are. You really need to connect with your inner self, Libra, and that is when you're really going to find a very strong foundation. I already feel that you're very spiritual. I already feel that you are open to spirituality. You are in some manner connected to your inner self, but there is so much more, being aware about you, about all the goods and about all the bads that you have, accepting it, becoming aware about them, rising above the situation and observing everything that you are doing from a third party point of view. That is what is called awareness. So it will be more of responding to the situation rather than reacting to the situation. Libra, the last card for you, Libra. The last card for Libra, the Fool. Libra, if there is this creative venture that you have been trying to pursue or planning to pursue, take the leap of faith. Universe is going to support you. All right. So that was your reading for this week, Libra. In case if it does not resonate with you, do not forget to check out other zodiacs weekly readings as per your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs on this channel. And these readings are meant for you, Libra, only whenever you watch it. All right, because these are timeless readings and time is fluid. I will see you very, very soon, Libra, in my next video. Until then, do take very good care of yourself. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.